Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It comes equipped with a 2-inch factory lift kit, as well as skid plates, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all-black doors with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, accompanied with the speakers. Comes up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows with the chrome handle. And just the driver's seat's going to be power adjustable lumbar, but you're going to have the 40-20-40 bench split seat. There's lots of room. Left side, you're going to have your trailering mode, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as your lighting control, and the parking brake just there. Not much going on the steering wheel. Left side, you're just going to have your cruise control and your forward collision alert. Blinker there. You're going to have the classic truck shifter and the classic odometer, which is pretty base. You have to control it using this little dial here, and you can access trip 1, trip 2, your fuel range, timer, tire pressure, brake pad life, following distance for your forward collision alert, your def range, and just pretty much all the essentials. It's going to be push to start. Down below, you're going to have your lane keep assist, auto stop, as well as your rear lift gate control, and as well as your hill descent control. 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port and an AC wall charger. Bound to have power. You're going to have your climate control there, and of course up onto the infotainment system you're going to have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, OnStar services and navigation, and you can also access your rear camera. So right in the center console, you're going to have tons of extra storage up top with the cup holders, storage inside the center console. Lift up the seat, lots of room. Storage under the seat to get it back down. Find the tab, it goes right down. Passenger side's manually adjustable. You're gonna have that same door with the double classic glove box. Speakers up top, a little storage right there, as well as you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar services and your SOS. We're gonna use blacked out 18-inch alloy wheels. We're gonna use Goodyear Wrangler tires. Of course, you're going to have the 2-inch factory lift right in there, the Z71 badging with the Duramax badging, and then the black plastic mirror caps and door handles as well. You have the Trail Boss badging back here with your black corner step bumper with your dual exhaust, as well as your trailer hitch and your 5th wheel just under. You have the easy lift tailgate with 2 LED lamps on the sides, as well as an AC wall charger. You're going to have 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, it's the same style, paneling and storage with the cup holder, accompanied with speakers. Comes up here to the power windows with the chrome handle. We're going to have storage just behind the passenger and driver's seat. You're going to have rear USB ports and as well as ventilation. You're not going to have cup holder, armrest, or rear sliding window. You're going to have storage just under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 3-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2-inch factory lift kit, skid plates, tow hooks, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.